My Winjas, what is the biggest limiting factor to why you are not as strong as you can be? Yo, it is grip strength. Grip strength, finger strength, hand strength, forearm strength. You need all of that to be able to pull your body up, right? If you want to bang out pull-ups, if you want to PR deadlifts, if you want to row till the cows come home, if you want to live your best life, carrying in all the groceries in one trip, crushing all the cans open with one hand, smashing through all the pumpkins and squash in one knife blow. It is all in our hands and in our grip. Woo! So Winjas, I'm going to show you 5 easy ways to increase grip strength, forearm strength at home with stuff you can find laying around your house so that you can go out and crush handshakes. Yo, everybody wants a nice firm handshake, and ladies love men with nice strong forearms, and men love women with a nice strong grip. Oh God. Okay, cue that intro. Alright, Winjas, we are all about living the highest quality of life and longevity on this channel. So please make sure you subscribe, press that bell, share this video with all your friends. Now, talk about grip, 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 yeah! Yo, I'm all about the grip strength, man. So when I started focusing on overall strength and longevity and quality of life, I started training my grip. And then, boom, I was able to bang out pull-ups. I was able to lift. It just gives you an incredible sense of empowerment and confidence when you can just like grab onto shit and like rip it open. So, here we go. First exercise you're gonna do, I think we all have books right now around the house, right? So, not many of us have access to weighted plates right now. So obviously if you do, anytime that you can just grab onto a plate and pinch it, you're gonna be increasing all the dexterity and strength in your fingers. So if you wanna rock climb, if you wanna do pull-ups, boom, that's where it's at. But if you don't have access to that, grab some books. I've got 4 books right now, and you're just gonna hang on and pinch it and squeeze it. So right now, stand tall, set your pelvis, set your shoulders, yeah, and squeeze. You're gonna think this is nothing, but already my fingers are, oh my God, the books, my left hand is so much weaker. So you're gonna squeeze, work your way up to 30 seconds at a time, pinching and squeezing these books tight. And that's gonna get you those strong hands to really pull at the bar, grab the bar and just break it in half, all right? Hack number 2, grab your heaviest pan. So I've got a cast iron pan here. I think most of us have a really heavy pan. This baby weighs 5 pounds, and we're gonna stack it into our body, elbows tight, stack the wrist. Your wrist is gonna wanna go, don't let it do that. Curl it up. So this is a nice strong base you've got all through the arms, through the elbow. This is gonna help you strengthen through the elbow joint. I'm feeling my biceps popping, my triceps are like, woot! And now we're gonna go rotations, out, external, and in. Try this for 8 to 10 reps. So my girlfriend gave me this pan because she couldn't handle it in the kitchen. It was too heavy for her to cook with. And this is the reason why I love training grip, because it is correlated in longevity and in quality of life. Because when we can grab things and saute and flip and be like, holla, top chefing it in the kitchen with no worries, this is where you're gonna live your best life, guys. So 8 to 10 reps, repeat on both sides, 3 to 5 sets per side. Hack number 3, grab your most awkwardest thing in your house and carry that, biatch. So I've got a 40-pound bag of dog food. This is Ocho's dog. Oh, Ocho's dog food. So I'm gonna grab onto it. You can do this with dog food, cat food, rice. Bags of rice is so good for training the grip. Grab onto it and just hold it. You can walk with it. So this is a replication of the farmer's walk that we would do in the gym with dumbbells. And this, because it is so awkward and it doesn't have that nice holding action, we'll be training all through the fingers and the grip. And calluses are a wonderful thing. I have this thing where I actually think calluses are beautiful. So train those calluses, ladies. You're gonna get so strong. You're gonna be able to pull yourself up. See how long you can hold for. Work yourself up to 30 seconds. Walk around if you want, 30 seconds at a time. Oh, it's sliding. reset, switch sides. Hack number 4, grab those buckets. Okay, so fill up your bucket with stones, dog food, whatever you can to make it really, really heavy and carry it around. When you do a one-arm bucket carry, it's actually training your core as well because you're gonna have to fight rotation, right? If I've got this thing full of stuff, I'm gonna be doing stuff like this. And so you're gonna have to go engaging those abs, getting that core strong, squeezing the butt tight to carry it. And because we're squeezing and we're engaging, we're locked in, we're training all through the arm, we're sending signals from the hand into the brain. Yo, brain, squeeze that shit, let's go. 5th and final hack, grab that apple and crush it. This is called the crush the apple hack. Okay, so not all of us have access to those little finger grip strength trainers, but I know you guys have apples in the house. Grab the apple and crush it. Crush it. So put it out in front of you, stack the shoulder blades, put it in your back pocket, and squeeze it. Put your whole entire fingers around it and squeeze it. Squeeze for 5 seconds as hard as you can. Rest and repeat. You're gonna feel crazy tension through your wrist, up your forearm, and even into your elbow joint. And this is what's gonna get you that strong grip. And then eat the apple. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you do these. Please train your grip. I promise it's gonna make you so much stronger in the gym, in life, in everything. This is your girl Maya. If you enjoyed my coaching, please check the description box for links to my programs and links to other videos that will help you live your best life. I'll see you guys next time.